Something big is brewing in Shiba Inu. One analyst just dropped a massive bombshell. Around 500 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are preparing. The charts are aligning, and we are seeing a repeat of a historic run forming today. This could make a lot of you millionaires, and time is running fast. What is happening, and how is this a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Something insane is happening with Shiba Inu today. Its price is shooting up, already climbing nearly 7% just today alone. But here's the wildest part. What if I told you this is just the beginning? Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. According to one analyst, Shiba Inu is not just having a good day, it's repeating history. And not just any history. We're talking about a pattern that, last time it appeared, created millionaires. The signs are all there. Today, we might be witnessing the early stages of something truly massive. But before we dive into what this pattern actually means, let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu's price right now. You could call it the calm before the storm. Things are heating up and the energy is building. The market is feeling that tension, that buzz, like something big is just around the corner. Another analyst is pointing to something extremely interesting on the chart. He says Shiba Inu is flashing signs of a very strong bullish entry point. That means, in simple terms, it's giving the green light for those who know what to look for. According to his outlook, Shiba Inu's price could be headed toward a major breakout. He's suggesting it might push into a range that hasn't been seen in a long time, levels that could stir up serious hype and momentum. And remember, we're not just talking about tiny little moves here. If this momentum holds, and if this pattern keeps playing out the way it did before, we could be looking at a massive move, something that could multiply current prices many times over. So yes, it might sound unbelievable at first, but when you look at the charts, the historical patterns, and the energy building up right now, it actually starts to make a lot of sense. And if you thought today's pump was impressive, just wait until you hear this. As Shiba Inu starts climbing back into the green, market analysts are watching one particular zone like hawks. Right now, over 500 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are sitting right at a major resistance level. This is the kind of area where the price usually struggles to break through. But if it does, it could be a total game changer. According to fresh data from Intel the Block, nearly 540 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are being held by over 145,000 different wallets, all around the same average price point. That's a massive cluster of holders. It's like a pressure cooker moment. Everyone's watching and waiting to see if the bulls have what it takes to push through. If Shiba Inu breaks above this zone, it won't just be a small win. It would basically erase months of downward movement. It would flip the entire script and set the stage for Shiba Inu to charge toward much higher levels. Some analysts are already calling for a move that could take Shiba Inu back to a price area we haven't seen in a long time. And if that happens, it could absolutely ignite the market again. Just think about it. Hundreds of trillions of tokens, thousands of holders, all of it coming to a boiling point. This isn't just another day in the market. This could be one of those legendary moments in Shiba Inu's story. And all of this starts making even more sense when you look at what just happened today. Shiba Inu holders are breaking records right now. Literally. The growth we are seeing isn't just in price, it's in the community itself. The number of people holding Shiba Inu is skyrocketing. And today, a massive milestone was crossed. Lucy, one of the Shiba Inu team members, posted something huge on X. She announced that Shiba Inu has officially surpassed over 1.5 million on-chain holders. That's absolutely massive. Since launching in late 2020, the community has just kept growing. And now we're getting closer to 2 million holders. That's wild. It shows how strong the belief in this project remains. From early believers to brand new faces joining the ride, Shiba Inu's community is stronger than ever. And it's not just about people holding either. The entire Shiba Inu network has been buzzing. Over 15 million transfers have been recorded. Wallets, exchanges, DeFi moves, you name it. That's serious activity. It shows people aren't just sitting on their tokens. They are using them, trading them, moving them around. The ecosystem is alive and thriving. And let's not forget, all of this is happening as the broader crypto market is catching fire again. Everything's picking up, and Shiba Inu is riding that wave beautifully. Lucy even teased the next big target, 2 million holders, and at the pace we are growing right now, that number doesn't seem far off at all. The community is fired up, the momentum is real, and people are feeling bullish. So when you put all of this together, price action, resistance levels, community growth, network activity, it all paints one powerful picture. Shiba Inu isn't just alive, it's roaring. This could be the beginning of something massive, and in fact, we're already seeing just how massive this could be. One analyst just revealed something mind-blowing for Shiba Inu, and he's not the only one. A bunch of analysts are starting to agree that Shiba Inu could be gearing up for a major spike in the days ahead. Just a few days ago, crypto strategist Patrick Schmidt made a really interesting comparison. He looked at what Shiba Inu is doing right now and lined it up with how things looked just before that massive rally in 2021. You remember that one? Shiba Inu basically exploded out of nowhere. Schmidt tweeted about how back in April 2021, everything felt quiet, like nothing was happening. And then suddenly, boom, Shiba Inu went on a wild historic run. He's not saying it'll play out exactly the same way, but the vibe, the setup, it's eerily similar. And a lot of people are starting to feel it. Another analyst, Ali Martinez, also spotted something big on the charts. He found a classic buy signal using a well-known indicator. This thing has a history of showing up right before major price jumps. Plus, he pointed out a crossover and an RSI climbing higher, all signs that bullish momentum is building fast. Even more, Shiba Inu just reclaimed an important moving average level. Traders usually see that as a major signal that bigger moves are coming, and the price chart is starting to form a bullish channel, a classic setup that points towards strength. If this momentum keeps picking up, we could be looking at a retest of those recent highs, or even something much bigger. And here's why this is so exciting. Back in 2021, people literally went from investing just $100 to waking up with tens of thousands. That's how fast things moved. That's how wild that rally was. Life-changing gains, almost overnight. So if history repeats itself, even in a slightly different way, this could be one of those moments again. One of those rare chances that you don't want to miss. And just when things are heating up, guess who's back? Satoshi Kusama. He just announced he's getting back to work. That kind of leadership showing up right at this moment. That's not a coincidence. It's powerful. It's the kind of boost that could push this rally even further. And Lucy posted another message that might just tie everything together perfectly. She said, "It takes years, then it happens all at once." Simple words, but when you really think about it, that one line could be the key to understanding everything happening right now. Because yes, Shiba Inu has been building quietly, expanding the ecosystem, growing the community. And now it feels like everything is aligning. The price action is heating up. Analysts are spotting bullish signals. Massive token movements are happening. Huge resistance levels are being tested. And the Shiba Inu team is stepping up. Maybe Lucy's message wasn't just a motivational quote. Maybe it was a hint that the years of hard work are finally about to pay off. And when that happens, it can move faster than anyone expects. When you add it all up, the price push we saw earlier, the trillions of tokens sitting at key levels, the explosion in holder numbers, the analyst predictions, the crazy similarities to 2021, Satoshi stepping back into the spotlight, Lucy's message, it really feels like something massive is brewing. So whether you've been riding with Shiba Inu since day one or you're just joining now, this might be one of those once-in-a-lifetime moments you do not want to miss. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.